Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Google Pixel Buds A series wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they're not syncing or pairing with your phone or other device, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one earbud, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason you want to delete everything off of them so that you can just set them up again as a new set of earbuds. It's really easy to do. The first thing you need to do before you do anything with the earbuds is just go on your phone or whatever that you've had them connected to before and have them delete these buds from that phone. And then you're just going to put the earbuds in the case, leave the case open as shown here, and plug the case into a power source. Once that happens, all you need to do is just come and press this button on the back of the case for 30 seconds, just keeping an eye on the status light, the earbud status light, which should be in that kind of breathing white slow blinking, or bouncing, or whatever you want to call it. So when that stops bouncing, you can let go of the pairing button, and if this has worked, the light will then start to blink white and orange while it's resetting, and then once it's reset, it'll go back to the bouncing white, which basically means it's reset, it's back in pairing mode and ready to be set up as a new set of earbuds.